Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a new conversion on a 2019 dark blue Transit Connect. The vehicle itself has under 300 miles on it. The Ford warranty started November 19th of 2020, so you have the full 3-year, 36,000, 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty. Inside you find the Mini-T conversion. The vehicle also comes with a mid-overhead console, heated leather seats, navigation. Check out the full details on our website at www.dlm-distribution.com or give us a call 651-285-7089. Happy camping!